Now going to question 21. Here we have an initial charge that includes 2 hours and then an hourly fee after that. We refer to that as subscription algebra. So just imagine this scenario. When cell phones first became popular around the year 2000, you could get a plan for about $40 per month. That would include 700 minutes. After that, you'd pay 35 cents per minute. So you would pay 40 as your starting cost, then 35 cents. How many times? X minus 700 times. So this function would sort of apply the extra amount just as enough times. And it only works if X is greater than or equal to 700, but it kind of always is in these situations. So just imagine if you spoke 710 minutes, then you would pay your 40, but you'd pay the 35 cents 10 times because 710 minus 700 is going to be 10. So let's go ahead and apply that now. So here, the cost is going to be, let's call it actually f of x because that's what they're calling it. But that'll be 220. That includes 2 hours. After that, there's a certain fee. Let's call it f. And it's going to happen x minus 2 times if x is the total number of hours. And that's because 2 hours are originally included. And so the whole big thing about subscription algebra is that in these parentheses, you're subtracting the included number. So x minus 2 is the number of times we're going to get charged that fee. Now we can plug in. After 5 hours, when x is 5, the fee is, or the total cost is 400, and then we can solve for the fee. So the whole cost is 400 when the number of hours is 5. So let's keep solving. Take away 220, 180 is equal to f times 3. Divide by 3, f is now 60. So now that we know this, we can say, well, this function is equal to 220 plus $60, x minus 2 times. And that's what we're being asked for the function. So let's start simplifying. 60 times x and 60 times negative 2. So that's 220 plus 60x minus 120. So we just distributed. And 220 minus 120 is 100. So we have the 60x plus 100, which is exactly answer choice A here.